After downloading the AgentSafeWalk app on either iPhone or Android, you're now ready to set up your account and profile. If you have already set up your account and have a username and password, click Sign In. If this is your first time using the app, click Sign Up. You can upload an image, preferably your photo. In this field, you'll enter your activation code. This code is located in the email invite sent to you by your organization. Next, enter in your first and last names. And here, enter your email address, which will also be your username. This should be the same email address as in the email sent to you by your organization requesting you to download this app. Now enter a 6 to 8 character password, easy to remember but difficult for someone to guess. Enter your area code and phone number with no dashes or spaces. Check off the permission box and click Sign Up. Now that you have successfully registered your account, you will see the AgentSafeWalk main screen, and you may complete your profile. At the bottom of the screen, click the My Settings tab. Click Profile. Click the More Info icon at the top, then Edit. All profile fields here are optional, but in a normal showing or emergency, this information will transmit to your program administrator along with your SafeWalk request. First, enter in the address you'd like associated with your profile, and you also have the option to enter up to 2 emergency contacts. Lastly, you may enter any medical info that you feel may be relevant in an emergency. Click Save, and your profile is now complete.